Hello, everyone. I wanted to talk to you about my favorite thing in pregnancy. Every time I sneeze, I have peed in my pants. And I have tried everything to stop it. Holding my nose, covering, crossing my legs. But sometimes you just don't have that option. Like, for instance, driving my son to school. Both hands are on the wheel. I'm driving. The sun is bright. And all of a sudden, I have to sneeze. And before I can even think, I have peed my pants. So I looked it up on the internet, and it says one of the less pleasant things about being pregnant is a tiny bit of leakage when sneezing, coughing, or exercising. They had a whole list of things. And I'm like, bro, there's no tiny in this. I have full on gone pee in my pants. And there's nothing I can do about it. It's like so embarrassing. It's so great. It's like number 313 on my list of why I just love being pregnant. It's so wonderful. Thanks, baby. I'll make sure to remind you of this when you get older. All right, guys, have a good day.